You guys, what do you want to do today? Bruh, it's just sad and everything goes weird around here. Yeah, I got a special dance for y'all. Wow, really? I wish it was dumb. Get out of here. I gotta show you an amazing dance. Something that will make you specialicious. Just show me already. Alright. That was one of the stupidest songs I've ever listened to. What was that little weird music that went like do 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 do? No, that was wrong. That was like the worst music I've ever heard. I'll show you some real music, classic music. You just wait right here. I'm back just like a guy on the track. Anyways, I found the perfect music. It's in there. Nope. That was $100. It was. It's in this baby. Try to look up that music video. Look it up on the web. Fuck. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, get ready for the time of your life. Now I'm gonna dance to it. I kind of like it. But that's lifeless, bro. You have no good in it. You don't have my music. You don't have good in it. You're so bad. It's so bad that it has no good music or it's so lifeless. How about yours? Yours is to lead like the old 90-95. Kind of like that. Yeah, but mine is actually better. Oh no, mine is actually way better than yours. Oh, actually, I think not. Ow. God. Oh. Why did he have to cock every single time? Why are you here? Why do you want it from us? I am pissed off now. I'm pissed too. What shall we do with him? Run him over. Yeah. Get your car. 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 I'm gonna sit you right here. I'm gonna sit you on you little piece of boy. Alright, I got me the car. I got this. Alright, yo. I got you. We could have done this another way. Oh, yep. We could have done this another way. Bluebird, what is wrong with your head? Bruh, I don't know. It was all because we were pissed off at each other. Because on how we were saying we have better dance moves than each other. And better music than each other. Bruh. Like, I'm sorry, bruh. I didn't mean to do that to you. It was just a thing. I slipped out. Yeah, it was me slipping out too. But guess what? You know, Helmet Chuck videos. He uploaded 3 days in a row. That never happened before. I know. 3 days in a row. Helmet Chuck videos. 3 days of Helmet Chuck. 3 days in a row of Helmet Chuck. Is it really 3 days in a row of Helmet Chuck? Let me check that, YouTube. I'm gonna type in my password on camera. Oh my god. Okay, Helmet Chuck videos. T Studios. I want to see if we really did upload for like 3. We don't have to look at that because that's private information. Let's see. Oh god, it doesn't even show. Oh god, that's terrible. Look on YouTube instead. Oh my god, did we actually upload more than that? Did we actually upload 3 days in a row? Oh my gosh, it really was 3 days in a row of Helmet Chuck. I want to see if it really is. Oh my gosh, yeah, it does. Well, since when we uploaded a Shimmer and Shine video? God. What a miracle these videos have been. What type of miracle? Could be like one of the best YouTube videos I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Ah, look, that's the bottom cat and the bottom dog. That's me and Uncle Mary's shirt. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's the modern dog. Oh my gosh, it is something that we did not really appreciate it that much. Oh my god, our first video. That was a miracle. I wasn't even introduced. Yeah, so 19 hours ago was yesterday, and 2 days ago was Sunday, and today is Tuesday. We really did upload 3 days in a row. This is a miracle in life. 3 days in a row. 3 days in a row. Helmet Chuck videos.